The Ottocast Mini Cube 3.0 is marketed as one of the smallest and fastest wireless adapters for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It promises seamless plug-and-play setup, automatic reconnection, and smooth performance. On the surface, the product looks polished with a professional website and flashy marketing. But here's the reality. This is a drop shipping item with a high markup. Reverse searches show nearly identical wireless dongles sold under different names on marketplaces like AliExpress and Amazon at much lower prices. The exaggerated claims of being the fastest or the most advanced adapter are marketing tactics not backed by independent testing. Many buyers report inconsistent performance, long shipping times, and questionable customer support. While you may receive a product if you order, the inflated pricing and generic branding make it considerably scam-like. It is a functioning store, the Ottocast.com, but the Minicube 3.0 is a drop-shipped adapter sold at a steep markup. If you want reliable wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, stick to established brands or buy directly from trusted retailers.